Hey everybody, it's Dr. Joel Levy with Mission Move Physical Therapy, and for this video I want to show you some hip mobility drills that are a little more advanced. And these hip mobility drills, what's really unique about them is they help you to achieve some muscle contraction at the end range of hip mobility, and that's truly how you get more mobility, is being able to contract your muscles at end range, not just a stretch, okay? So the first one I want to show you is sort of like a slide on top of something like a bolster like this. You want it to be about just above your knee, maybe a couple inches above your knee. You're actually going to put your foot up on here, slide it all the way back, all the way to the end, and then bring your knee back up. Slide back and forth. Try to maintain as much as you can an upright posture while you do this, and do about 10 reps. Okay, for this next one, I want you to take a weight and hold it overhead like this. This makes you require a little bit more core stability and not cheat as much. And for this one, for hip mobility, you're going to bring this back leg, bring it over something. You can use a weight or a cone or a little hurdle there, and go all the way up and then all the way back, just like this. Trying to keep that weight overhead and your posture nice and stable as you move your hip into flexion and then back like that. All right? So this next one is a variation on the popular hip 90-90 stretch, right? Which is hard enough as it is, but this one, again, we add some weight overhead for a little bit of added core engagement and doesn't allow you to cheat. And then what you're going to do is do the switch, flip, and then actually come up on the hip, and then back down and to the other side. Good, squeezing through, getting some nice glute activation on each side. So give that one a try. All right, so this next one, you're gonna kneel down in front of a box. This is about 12-inch box right here. And then you're gonna bring your hip around into flexion and put it up on the box. Lean forward a little bit. You'll get a little bit of stretch here on the underside, on this side, and on the side on the other side. And again, we're using the muscles of the hip flexor to squeeze the hip flexion range of motion to allow you to bring it all the way up and contract at end range to get your leg all the way up on the box. That's what makes this drill really effective, is that you have to articulate the hip, bring it all the way around, and squeeze it to get it back up onto the box. So give that one a try. 10 on the side, really good. The last one is another variation on the hip 90-90. So you're gonna get into the hip 90-90 position, put your arms out in front of you like this, and then you're gonna bring one heel to the other heel while trying to maintain a real straight posture. So bring this up, bring it to there, and bring it back down, okay? Touch, back down. Obviously you would do this on both sides. Again, working on articulating that hip into internal and external rotation in this position.